Hello students, let us evaluate this problem tan 15 degree divided by 2 minus secant square 15 degree. We have this identity secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So the denominator 2 minus secant square 15 degree is equal to 2 minus 1 plus tan square 15 degree. So after subtraction 1 minus tan square 15 degree we will get. And we this expression will become tan 15 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 15 degree. We have the identity tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square theta. But we have only tan 15, not 2 tan 15. So this 2 we will take it downside. So automatically this will become tan of a by 2. Tan 2a by 2. So that means with the we know that a is equal to 15 degree here. So this is nothing but tan 30 by 2. After substituting the value, you know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by 2 into 1 by root 3 is equal to 1 by 2 root 3. So the final answer is 1 by 2 root 3. Thank you.